Hello friends, today I am going to discuss with you when to buy the video lectures for CA final students for the subject of strategic cost management and performance evaluation. I am CA Rakesh Agrawal, as most of you are aware of. So when to buy the video lectures? Dear student friends, this question is often asked to me by the students, especially CA final students. They are confused between should we buy now, that is the version which is available on our website, or should we wait for the latest version? Should we buy now or should we wait for the latest version? Now I will try to share my thoughts, my views with you about it through this video. Probably this video will help you to take a decision, proper decision. If your attempt is due in next 12 months, then there is no point in waiting further. You are already late to start the studies. I think CA final studies should start immediately after joining CA final, that is after passing intermediate. And this subject, that is strategic cost management and performance evaluation, is the first to take up, first few to take up, because in this subject the amendments are almost negligible. So like the strategic cost management, that is costing, your FR, SFM, these subjects you have to first start with. And the subject which requires amendments like DT, IDT, corporate law, etc., they have to be taken little later, right, near your exam. So you are already late if you have not done with this subject, and if your attempt is due in next 12 months. So this subject of CA final SCMP will itself take minimum 3 months to complete. Even if you buy now, you will take minimum 3 months to complete that batch, regular batch. On the contrary, I have seen when students study through video lectures, they are not very sincere and it takes more time than this. 3 months you will be able to complete if you watch one lecture every day without fail. Otherwise you will take 4 months, 5 months, 6 months also, if you start today and if you buy today. Plus you should have some time, I would say sometime is 6 months left for revision of all the subjects and self-testing before the exam. I will say 6 months too much. We want to study everything in 6 months. See, the best plan is, out of this last 6 months before the exam, 4 months should be used for revision and 2 months should be used for self-testing, that is appearing for test series or solving the exam papers under exam condition, right, with time. So according to me, if you are appearing for both the groups, last 6 months should be reserved. It means your regular study should be over before 6 months before the exam. That is what the best plan is. So when you will start now? So hence buy whatever is available at present. Friends, I am just sharing my views with you. Finally, you can take your own decision. So those whose attempt is due in next 12 months should buy immediately whatever is available at present. Now your next question is, what about any changes or amendments if they take place? So first of all, this subject of SCM and PE doesn't have amendments like direct and indirect tax. Right. At the most, it will have some additional questions, not amendments, additional questions from previous exam, revisionary test paper, model test paper, and so on. There are no amendments as such. And I do compile all the above in my amendment batch notes. Technically, I should not call it as amendment batch notes, but students love to call it as amendment batch. Therefore, I call it as amendment batch notes. So I compile these additional questions from previous exams, RTPs, model test papers, everything I compile, and I have given them a name, amendment batch notes. And these notes are available in PDF form for free downloading on my website. So you can always download it from my website, that is carakeshagrawal.in. On that website, you will find on the top row there is a student section tab or corner, student corner. There is a place there. So if you go to the student corner, you will get these PDF files for downloading. So you can anytime update yourself. Now, video lectures of amendments. means amendment batches. I have also recorded some of the video lectures. So for those students who find it difficult to do self-study, right, I have recorded the video lectures of amendment batch 1 and 2 only. I had got time earlier, so I had recorded amendment batch 1 as well as amendment batch 2 lectures. These are available for sale at a nominal price. So these are available for sale on our website at a very nominal price. You can go and check amendment batch 1 and 2. Now the immediate next question is why we should pay extra for amendments. This is a very popular question students ask. Does it mean that we are penalized for buying an older version? Because you have purchased an older version, you have to again pay for the amendment batch video lectures? Don't worry about it, my dear friends. The answer is no, you are not penalized. Now how not penalized? I will explain it to you, right? There is something called as price parity theory. Now what is this? You will find this type of word in your SFM. For example, the MRP of version 2 was 15,600, that is maximum retail price. I have kept the MRP of amendment batch 2 as rupees 400. If you add the two, you will get the MRP of version 3. Now what I am explaining is, if someone had purchased version 2 for 15,600, he will buy amendment batch 2 video lectures for 400. Version 2 plus amendment batch 2 is as good as contents of version 3, and version 3 MRP at present is 16,000. So there is no difference in price. You are not going to pay anything extra whether you buy version 2 plus amendment batch 2 video lectures or you directly buy version 3. On the contrary, I would say that those who don't want to buy this video lecture of amendment batch 2 but want to study from the PDF notes which are available freely on our website can save on the contrary 400 rupees if you can do self-study. Otherwise video lectures are available. So those, but please remember, those who are buying version 3 now, which is available at present, they need not buy amendment batch 1 and 2 recorded earlier because these contents are already included in version 3 lectures. So if you are buying version 3, don't buy amendment batch 1, don't buy amendment batch 2. And if you have purchased version 2, then buy only amendment batch 2. Only amendment batch 2, not amendment batch 1. Because amendment batch 1 contents are already included in version 2. So version 2 people will go for only amendment batch 2. Version 3 people, those who are buying, need not buy amendment batch 1 and 2. Right? It's already included. So thus it is price neutral and content neutral. It's already price neutral and content neutral. Why you are worrying that I am buying an older version or new version? Now what if my attempt is much ahead? Alright. So if your attempt is 1.5 to 2.5 years ahead, maximum it could be 2.5 years, then you have two options available. Either wait for a new version if you can afford to wait. Afford to wait, I mean to say your time will get wasted. You have to start studying immediately. You have to cover one by one subject. There are 8 papers in your exam. Just think over that if one paper or one subject takes 3 months into 8 papers, it will become 24 months, that is 2 years. And then 6 months, last 6 months for revision and self-testing, right? So 2.5 years is already gone and then your exam is due. But still, if you are planning to start your studies late, if you can afford to wait, then wait for new version. Choice is yours. Or point number B is buy the version which is presently available on our website. Now my suggestion, our suggestion, or basically it's my suggestion, that time is the most crucial factor for CA students. If you don't want to waste your time, then buy version 3 available at present instead of waiting in the era of uncertainty. You all know we are passing through the phase of uncertainty. Nothing is sure. Every day the government rules, regulations are changing. The definition of red zone, containment zone is changing. Can't say how long it will continue. So better buy version 3. This is my advice. Choice is yours. Now, should we wait for version 4? Again, the same thing. In the current scenario of corona pandemic, everything appears to be uncertain. And let me tell you, today when I am recording this video for you, Maharashtra government has again imposed a fresh lockdown in Pune city. So Pune city may again undergo the lockdown phase. We don't know how long, right? So this keeps on happening on and off, right? We are unable to move out of the house. So it appears to be uncertain. I don't know when the next live batch will be conducted, because I do the recording in the live batch when I solve the questions on the board. You would have seen my video lectures, demo video lectures, right? So I'm not sure when the live batch will be conducted, and hence I cannot promise you the expected date of release of version 4. It is just beyond human imagination now and human capacity to give you the exact date. I'm helpless, right? Instead, what I have done, I'll tell you. I have already uploaded PDF file, one more PDF file containing amendment batch 3 notes. One more, I have already discussed with you amendment batch 1 and 2. Amendment batch 3 notes are already on our website at same place, Student Corner. Now you may assume that your version 3, which is available at present, plus amendment batch 3. Amendment batch 3 only notes are available. I have not yet recorded because I could not get the chance to conduct the batch and record. So amendment batch 3 only PDF notes. So you'll have to do self-study. Is as good as you can treat is version 4. As good as version 4. You can treat that. So version 3 is available for sale. Amendment batch 3 notes are already uploaded on website. Yes, amendment batch 3 notes can also be downloaded by those students who have purchased earlier version 2. Right? Earlier version 2. So amendment batch 3 notes are for everyone. But it is only in the form of notes. There are no video lectures because I couldn't get the time to record. So you can say that version 3 plus amendment batch 3 is as good as version 4. So you can go ahead. So I've already covered all the new questions from the latest exam, right? Plus RTP questions, plus mock test paper questions in that amendment batch 3. And also the changes made by ICAI in the new module, which was released in January 2019. So I've already taken care of all this in version 3 video lecture itself. So version 3 video lecture already includes the changes made by ICAI in the new module. The module which you have in your hands probably, which was released or published in January 2019. Plus later on the exams are conducted by the institute, plus RTPs, everything that is covered in amendment batch 3. Please remember. So I'm not expecting now any changes. Institute has recently changed the module, so they are not going to come out with a new module again. That's not expected. Hence version 4, whenever recorded in future, would only contain additional questions. Really speaking, there are no amendments left for version 4. Version 3 has already covered the new module changes. So in version 4, whenever I will record, what at the most will happen? Same contents of version 3 plus the extra questions which I have covered in amendment batch 3. Those I will try to accommodate in version 4 in the respective chapter. So basically there won't be any amendment as such except the new questions or additional questions. And the batch duration and fees may also increase in future to accommodate these extra questions. See, generally if anything new is added, if I add a few more new questions, the duration goes up, the fees goes up naturally. So if still you want to wait for version 4, choice is yours. So at the most what you will find, what change you will find? You will find few new shirts in my collection, and my gray hairs, growing gray hairs, basically they are getting evaporated also. So you will not find now. So only that much is the aesthetic change which you will get. What new you will get? Nothing new in version 4 as such, unless institute comes out with new module. Now I'll leave it to you whether you would like to wait in the era of uncertainty or would like to start your studies immediately. Right? I'll leave the choice to you finally. Because finally you are the best judge for yourself. This video which I am recording is only to assist you in your decision making process. This talk will just help you in your decision making. That is what my intention was, right? So you take your own final decision. Friends, wish you all the best. See you next time.